I was born and raised in around the New York City metropolitan area. And I went to undergraduate school at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland. And then went for my master's in actually biological oceanography at the City University of New York. And then went to medical school at Downstate Medical Center, which is part of the State University of New York in Brooklyn, where I was born. And did my residency actually there too, and my internship. And I finished that in 1988. And then came to Plano, Texas, under the supervision of Dr. Neil Small, who did an arthroscopy and sports medicine fellowship for a year, and he invited me to stay, and I have never left. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with a Certificate of Added Qualification in sports medicine. But I do some general orthopedics. So I do sports medicine, which is all related to any injury that happens on the field, and that affects all joints, but mostly the knee, shoulder, foot, and ankle. Then I also do reconstructive surgery, which means I replace joints, and I replace mostly the knees and hips. And I also do arthroscopy of almost all those joints also. I treat patients of all age groups, from pediatrics all the way to the octogenarians, the elderly. We do a lot of the sports medicine in the adolescent group up to the mid-20s, and then a lot of the middle-aged patients from 35 and above till the elderly. My goal in treating patients is to make sure that they improve their quality of life, decrease their pain, and return to their previous level of activity. My favorite thing about treating patients is when they do well, they're happy, and they're actually ready to give me a hug and make me feel wonderful. In my free time, I enjoy playing golf. I'm still doing that occasionally since I was 10 years of age, but I'm really not very good at it, but it's lovely to be outside in the beautiful Texas area when it's not too hot. I also love to get to the ocean and snorkel and scuba dive. I really love to be down below and see what the world is like when it's very quiet and no one can bother you. I've been doing that since I was very young, because I had my degree in oceanography, and then have developed into a much greater love of the ocean. However, I'm sort of ironic in the fact that I did my fellowship here in Dallas and Plano, which is sort of landlocked, so I try to get away there as much as possible.